Hello, doers. Welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create a custom fields for the task using this our Dev task custom fields via projects. See here our module Dev task custom fields. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects and see here this menu task custom fields. Go to fields and create new. First I create name, display here model and select here data types, character, float, boolean, etc. I want to select character for name. Let's save. Now go to task, go to anyone like a chair cabinet and see here this custom fields. Select here field, display here task name and I did create name field. So select name and based on name automatically here available and see data type. Now add value like a Gemini. Let's save. Now go to these values and see here. Your task is a chair cabinet. Created field is name, data type is character and value is Gemini. So you can easily add here custom fields and value. Thank you.